So when you want to solve this equation, log of x plus 3 plus log of x minus 3 equal to log 16. So first you write the conditions. Now log of x plus 3 is defined only when x plus 3 must be greater than 0. And log of x minus 3 is defined only when x minus 3 must be greater than 0. That means whatever the value of x that you are going to get when solving the equation, it should satisfy both the conditions, x plus 3 greater than 0 as well as x minus 3 greater than 0. Now you apply the property. It is in the form of log a plus log b, that is log of ab. So x plus 3 into x minus 3 equal to log 16. That is log of x square minus 9 equal to log 16. Now base is same. When it is not mentioned means you have to consider base is same. Remove the log. So x square minus 9 equal to 16. So x square equal to 25. So x equal to plus or minus 5. Now you have to check whether can we take both the solutions or not. So one is x equal to 5, another is x equal to minus 5. Now verify this with these conditions. Now when I take 5,
Sir, only
5
plus
plus
5.
3 greater than 0, 5 minus 3 greater than 0. So 5 you can take. But x equal to minus 5 will not satisfy the both the conditions. So you should not take this. That means only the solution is x equal to 5. Now in the exams, without considering these conditions, you are going to solve this and you will take both the options. Or else you will check whichever option is there that you are going to choose, but that will become wrong. Either you have to write the conditions and you have to verify, or else you verify the original equation always. So for the problem, log x base 2 plus 1 by 2 log of x plus 2 base 2 equal to 2. Condition for the first term is x greater than 0. Condition for the second term is x plus 2 must be greater than 0. Now if I take LCM and simplify, then you will get a cubic equation. Identify one solution which is satisfying, then apply either synthetic division or normal division to get the quotient. Now this will be a quadratic which has no real roots because discriminant is less than 0. So the only solution is x equal to 2. Again we need to verify whether x equal to 2 satisfy these conditions or not. So in this problem, x plus log of 1 plus 2 to the power of x base 10 equal to x log 5 base 10 plus log 6 base 10. So there is no direct property that a real number can be added to a log unless this x also you have to convert in terms of log. Because the base is 10 is there everywhere. So this x you can write as x into log 10 base 10 because log 10 base 10 is 1. Now this again you can write as log of 10 to the power of x base 10. Now it is in the form of log a plus log b. So log of ab. Now, because the base is same, remove the log and solve the equation in terms of 2 power x, which is a quadratic. Then you will get the value of x equal to 1. Now, so whenever you are solving the logarithmic equations, always you need to write the conditions. Now here the condition must be what? Log is defined. The base x minus 1 must be what? Greater than 0. Along with base greater than 0, one more condition is there. X minus 1 must be what? Not equal to 1. That means x is greater than 1 and x not equal to 2 because base must be greater than 0 and base is not equal to 1. Now under these conditions we need to solve the equation. After that we have to verify. Now convert the log equation to the exponential. So 3 equal to x minus 1 whole square. So x minus 1 equal to what should I write? Plus or minus root of 3. So x equal to 1 plus root 3 and 1 minus root 3. Now, is it 1 plus root 3 satisfy both the conditions? It is greater than 1 and not equal to 2. So 1 plus root 3 satisfied.
Yes,
next,
sir.
1 minus root 3. Will
No,
it satisfy x greater than 1?
No, sir.
No. So only solution is x equal to 1 plus root 3. In case if you are not writing these conditions, there is a chance that you will take both the solutions. That becomes wrong. So in this problem, log base 4 2 times log base 3 1 plus log base 2 1 plus 3 log x base 3 equal to 1 by 2. You have to find the value of x satisfying this equation. So preferable method is, instead of simplifying the inside, you convert log to the exponential notation. That is, first you try to eliminate this log. After that, this log. Go on, eliminate and try to solve the equation. So go on, eliminate log and convert to the exponential notation and then try to simplify. So you will get x equal to 3. So in this problem, condition that this equation is defined is 3 to the power of x minus 8 must be greater than 0. Now convert the logarithmic equation to the exponential equation. So 3 to the power of x minus 8 equal to 3 to the power of 2 minus x. Take substitution 3 to the power of x equal to t. You will get a quadratic in t. Now you will get two values of t. So replace t with 3 to the power of x. So x equal to 2 and 3 power x equal to minus 1. You cannot have any real solution. So only the solution is x equal to 2. So 3 to the power of log root x base 3 minus log x plus log x whole square minus 3 equal to 0. So the meaning of this is log of x whole square, and you should not write as 2 log x, which is wrong. So it is log x whole square only. Now here you are having a property in this form, that is a to the power of log n base a equal to n. So this will be log root x. Now log root x will be same as 1 by 2 log x. Take log x as the substitution and solve the quadratic equation in t and replace back t with the log x. Because the base is not mentioned in the numerical problem, take the base as 10. So x equal to 10 square and x equal to 10 to the power of minus 3 by 2. So both are the solutions.